Welcome all to the coding race chatting app part 2. Part 1 we have been completed our chatting app designing. In this video we will code the app. Okay, just go to the blocks and we want 3 variables. Go to variables and add one variable, and go to text, add one text string, drag and drop it, and duplicate the variable, right click on it and duplicate, and rename it as message. Next we will add one more variable, name is chat. Go to list, create empty list. Go to design, we want to set coding for save button. So go to blocks. Okay, we have been renamed, the button has save, so drag and drop when save button clicks. So move the mouse pointer to the name area, so you can see this two blocks. Just drag this to here, and next we want the text box. Which text box? Text box this, which is text box 2. So go to blocks and we want to go to text box 2 and add one code, text box 1.text. So you can see that. Okay, we have been added that to the button. Okay, next we want to code for button 1, which is send button. Okay, add when send button clicks. So we want move the cursor to the message and take the second block, which is set global message to, and we want one text box. Which text box? This text box, which is text box 1. Okay, and go to blocks and go to text box and add text box 1.text. Okay, next we want to save the text we want to send to another person. So we have been already added cloud db1 to save the text. So we want to add call cloud db append value to list. Okay, we want to set one tag and item to add. So tag will be chat. First we want to go to text and add a join block to item to add, and add a string, which is text string. Okay, we will name it as chat. Okay, next we will add the item. We just click on this settings button and drag this one string to here. Okay, we want 3 slot to add the coding. Okay, and next we want to add so please go to move the mouse pointer to here, the variable, and add this, which is get global message. Or you can go to this variable and you can add this and just click on this down button and you can select that, but we will not do that. And next we want to add please move the mouse pointer to the name and select the first, which is get global name, and drag it to the third slot, and we go to text and add the text string and just type dot, okay, and enter. This is the coding for send button. Okay, next we want to set one more thing. Just go to cloud db1 and select one got value, drag and drop it, and we want one more code. It is move this mouse pointer to chat and get this second code, which is get global chat 2, and we want to please move this mouse pointer again to this value and add this get value. Next we want to code for button 3, which is delete all the message button. So go to this blocks and you can see one button 3, delete button. I have been renamed it as delete. I think you can visible button 3. Just drag and drop that in your computer or mobile. And we want to add one more thing is cloud. Go to cloud db and you can see call cloud db1 clear tag. So drag it to the delete button and we want to name, we want to give one text. Which text we have been written here, which is send button. To add value, this tag, this same text you want to paste it here. So I will copy this text. So just right click on it and duplicate and move it to move it, drag and drop it to this delete called cloud db clear tag. So this is the tag I have been written here. Okay, next we want to add one variable. So just go to here and you can see we have been already added this chat. So move this mouse pointer to the chat and drag this set global chat here, and we want to erase the all text we have been saved in this variable, means chat. So go to the list and you can see create empty list here. Okay, and next we want to also clear the all text in this list viewer. So go to blocks and go to this list viewer and you can see one text which is a list viewer dot elements. Just drag it to here and then we will add go to here and move this mouse pointer to this chat and add this get global chat here. Okay, next we will go to the, when we change the text and we will add more text, we want to add it to the list viewer. So we want to update the text. It means data changes. So go to the Cloud DB and you can see one thing when data changed. So drag and drop it here, and we want to add something more variable. So go to here and move the mouse pointer to the chat and add this set global chat dot this set global chat to, and drag and drop it to here the data changes, and you want to add this get value to here, and we want to add this chat. So we will duplicate this, right click on it and duplicate. So drag and drop it here. Okay, this code to change the data. So next we will add when the screen will initialize. You can set when the screen will initialize. We want to clear the all text. So drag and drop when screen 1 initialize. Go to the screen and drag this code. And we want to add one more text in this. Go to this Cloud DB and you can see get value here, and we want to add this same tag. Just duplicate it, right click, duplicate, and drag and drop it to this tag. And we want to set value if tag not there. We want to set it. Go to list and you can see this create empty list. Drag and drop. So these are the code for our chat app. So our chat app is set, and we want to add the speech recognizer. When we will add, when we click on these two buttons, we want to open this speech recognizer, and after we speak, we want to set the text on this text box, and automatically the app wants to send it to the list viewer. So sorry, I have been done a mistake. We want to add one more text code in here. When save button clicks, when this save button clicks, we want to save that name, and we want to visible of this area, because after we save this name, we don't want to type more. So go to blocks, and here you can see save. Please click on the here horizontal arrangement. You can see the horizontal arrangement too. The name is. So go to blocks and you can see horizontal arrangement too. this is the horizontal arrangement too. And visible, we want to set visible. So yes, set horizontal arrangement to visible. Drag and drop it to when save, click area. And we want to add false. So go to logic and you can add this false, or just type the false. Click on this code and type false. And just click enter. So the code automatically set here. And this will disappear. After we save, when we save the name, it will automatically visible off. And okay, next we want to add one more thing. When the screen will initialize, we want to set it visible, otherwise it will be always be not visible. So duplicate this, right click on it, duplicate, and drag and drop it to the screen 1 initialize, and change the false to true. Just click on this arrow and change it to true. This is the code for today. Next video we will add when this 2 button clicks, which is we want to activate the speech recognizer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share and like the video. Bye bye.